Hi, this is Vizzy Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see Netflix viewing history. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Ever look at your continue watching row and thought there's no way that's everything I've watched? Yeah, well, Netflix receives and they go way deeper than a handful of your favorite shows sitting on the homepage. I spent a solid half hour last week digging through all my Netflix history, and let me tell you, finding the Korean drama I watched during lockdown was just tip of the iceberg. So how to it to see all your watch history, your activity history on your Netflix? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Netflix. You can log in into your account. Now you can go to settings from here. Choose on account. Now you can scroll down. You can choose on edit settings. You can manage your profile and preferences. You can choose on the profile that you want to see the viewing history. Now you can scroll down and you'll find the reason of the viewing activity. You can select on that. So here's all your viewing activity, your viewing history on Netflix. All the movies, all the series, TV shows will be listed here. You can watch in here. It's very simple, right? You can show more to see all this. You can see the date and the movie name. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see your viewing history on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.